Welcome to the Creator Series. This series is brought to you by SocialBook and was made with small content creators in mind. These videos will cover a range of different topics, and I'll share my tips and advice on how to grow your YouTube channel, how to get monetized, and also free tools and resources that you can use to make the most out of your content. Hello everyone, it's Shirley and welcome to my channel. This is the final episode of the Creator Series with SocialBook. There's been a lot of information in every single video. If you have not checked them out, I do have a playlist of all the Creator Series videos. We'll wrap up this series by going over what is a media kit, how to create one, and how to pitch to brands. My other videos will be great resources to build off of this video. Definitely check out the other episodes after this video. I like to look at a media kit as a digital portfolio of everything that a brand needs to know about you. You might be wondering why a media kit is important. If you are a small content creator or influencer and you want to take that step in contacting a brand to work with them, having a media kit is more professional and shows the brands that you are serious about working with them, and you're showing the brand that you're proud of your work. Your media kit will include analytics, stats, numbers, because that is what brands care about. You'll include your audience demographic, where they're from, and everything's organized in one place so that the brand doesn't have to do a lot of digging to find all these numbers and decide if they want to work with you. You're providing this information for them, and you should be proud of them no matter how the numbers may look. If you're not a good fit for the brand, then that's fine. You will definitely have more opportunities and more brands to work with. Your media kit should encompass your personal brand. It should show what value you bring to the brand, because what brands are looking for is to reach your audience with their product or their service to determine if you are the right creator to work with. This may be obvious, but be honest with your statistics and your analytics. Don't stretch out the truth or skew the numbers, because it could hurt you in the long run. And you should really focus on your credibility as a creator and maintaining a brand's trust. It's like how you wouldn't want to break the trust of your audience or your supporters who are watching you because they value your content and your opinion. You should include all of your other social media platforms and their analytics as well, because you never know if a brand prefers an Instagram post, a TikTok, or a YouTube video, a blog post, or any other form of content. So include all of your platforms, your followers, all of your analytics on each platform, and you can also include all of the brands you've worked with in the past. You can add links to those specific collaborations for brands to reference. This shows your credibility as a creator, the type of content that you make, and the message that you're providing to your audience. You also include your rates for different forms of content. You can include your rates for YouTube video, a YouTube short, whether it's an integrated video or a full dedicated video, Instagram reel, Instagram story, Instagram post, Facebook post, blog post, you name it. So SocialBook has a media kit studio where you can create your own media kit online. There's free templates, images, clip art, and also a graph feature that is really useful for a media kit. You can access this all on socialbook.io. If you have not created an account yet, it's free to sign up and it's super quick and easy. You can sign up today by clicking on my affiliate link. So I'll give you a rundown of all the features of SocialBook's media kit studio, how to use it, and an example of a media kit. So this is what the Media Kit Studio looks like. Once you've connected your YouTube or Instagram account, it will input all of your information automatically. So you can add your profile picture, your name, the number of followers you have, your average views and engagement rate, and different graphs that show your audience demographics, such as the country distribution, age distribution, and gender distribution. You can choose to show these numbers on a bar graph or a pie chart, whatever is more visually pleasing to you or portrays the numbers the best. So when you click over these buttons, it will ask to bind a profile, and this is basically connecting your account. You also have the option of searching up your YouTube or Instagram account by your username. Let's say you have multiple accounts, or you're trying to link a brand, or maybe you're trying to make a media kit for someone else. So the options on the Media Studio Kit are very similar to the thumbnail maker. You have options to bind your profile, you can duplicate a page, you can clear any layers on the page, you can download the image and add a new page. On the left side, there are templates to get you started if you're unsure about the style of your media kit, and like font choice, color scheme. There's a lot of variety and many options for you to choose from. There are also different backgrounds to use for your media kit. There's different categories to really suit any style or vibe that you're going for. You can always use the search bar for anything specific. The Media Kit Studio also has elements for you to use, which are basically like vectors or clip art, and you can really use these graphics to spice up your media kit. They can definitely add character to any design, but of course, if you would prefer a simple design, definitely go for it. A media kit should reflect you and your content. There are hundreds of different fonts to choose from to add text to your media kit. Now we're going to go over media kit inspiration and just to give you ideas on what you could create. So this is a very simple media kit. It's eye-catching, straight to the point. You can fit everything in one page if you'd like to keep everything concise. They included their followers, their reach, their likes average, impressions, different content that they make, and all of their contact information. Here we have a travel content creator. It's very aesthetic. They keep like a very minimal theme of white and a very dark navy blue. Everything is easy on the eyes and the theme is very consistent all throughout. So this next media kit is very modern. It's aesthetic, also very minimal, keeping a pretty simple color scheme. It includes followers on other social media platforms. It has information about the creator and about the content that they create. The next page lists all of their packages and how much they charge per media post. These are just examples, so they're not real, but this gives you an idea of what posts you could charge for. The next media kit is also very modern. It's classy. This media kit is more centered around a blog, but you can definitely implement this into your YouTube content or for Instagram as well. Highlighting your audience and their interests is very important because brands want to know if you are able to reach the same target audience that they also want to reach. Here is a checklist when making your media kit. I will also link this page down below for you to reference. So, of course, your blog name, a short description about yourself and the content that you make. Will include your audience demographics, your other social media accounts, and how many followers you have. If you have a website, you can include your Google Analytics. You will include your engagement rates for all your social media accounts and any social posts. You can include photos and a color scheme that reflects your brand and your personality. Make sure your media kit is easy on the eyes and includes all the necessary information. Of course, you're going to add your contact information, such as your email address, phone number, any other form of contact that you are comfortable with. These things are optional to include in your media kit, but it can definitely help to leverage with brands and show your credibility. So you can add past partnerships, you can link the content that you made for that collaboration and any stats. You can also add how much you charged for each specific sponsored post. And lastly, you can include testimonials from previous partnerships. So if a brand really enjoyed working with you and you really enjoyed working with them and they had great things to say about working with you, you can add that to your media kit. And that is it for this video. I hope that all of this information helps you to create your own media kit, know what to include, and how to pitch to brands to show your worth as a creator. I hope that this whole creator series has provided you with guidance and resources as a small creator on this huge platform. We've covered so much, from how to monetize your YouTube channel, how to earn commission as a brand affiliate, how to create your own thumbnails, your own media kit. We covered how to get brand deals, how much to charge, and avoid getting scammed, and for small businesses and entrepreneurs, how to find the right creators to work with and how to manage campaigns. I hope that you've been learning a lot and taking something away from each video. Thanks again to SocialBook for partnering with me. They've been so great to work with. If you have any other tips or advice to share with the community, definitely leave them down below. We are all here to support each other. You can sign up for SocialBook for free at this link. It will also be in the description box. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!